He's got the parakeets, just like your uncle. And flying here, I see these. So I found out those parrots are not indigenous, known to this island. They were escaped parakeets that have gone wild. But they hang out with the smaller parakeets, like your uncle. He had the big one, and he had the small, like I think it's green. So yeah, those parakeets aren't known to this island, but they're here. They fly like wild birds because they're escaped parakeets. But the green one, like your uncle also had the smaller one, now it's indigenous to this island, so they're everywhere. And we're down by the VA hospital. I watch them fly in droves of 20 or more, just flying overhead, parakeets. They fly wild here. I've been out there swimming already. I went out there and got on the board here. This come with my Airbnb, and so did the chair. So I got the board from the Airbnb. This came with the Airbnb. Now I brought my rucksack. I got it the VA, cooler, all my stuff, and just kind of chilling out on the beach. And I'll post this to YouTube. But if you're wondering who I'm talking to, everybody, I'm talking to my wife. That's why I'm like, parakeets her uncle has. Her uncle has parakeets, big ones like that, and the small ones, which you find both of them on this island. That's it for now.